To my surprise, no, yung barangay health workers natin hindi ganun kalaki ang kailangan budget. In fact, konti lang idadagdag natin, mako-cover nila lahat of giving them full benefits kasi konti lang binibigay sa kanila. If I'm not mistaken, 500 pesos per week in one of the areas I've been to. So, ang gagawin natin, there are two laws maliban sa barangay health worker laws mismo, but there's also a law na related to 4Ps giving them a position already na plantilla. So these two laws, titingnan natin kung anong mauna, but we're definitely looking forward na may papasa dito sa dalawa, and we want to support our barangay health workers kasi sila yung frontline. Sila yung araw-araw na kumakatok sa pintuan ng tao para makakolekta ng data. To my surprise, no, yung barangay health workers natin hindi ganun kalaki ang kailangan budget. In fact, may COS positions na currently ang some BHWs na nagtatrabaho. Ibig sabihin ko konti lang idadagdag natin, mako-cover niya na lahat. So I guess this has to come out during the deliberations again, and maraming nagsusupport sa barangay health workers natin.